Are you tired of burning through money, burning through your promotions, burning through your budgets like this? Are you an unsigned rapper, singer, musician that want to learn how to build fans and make money? If so, watch this short video and I'll show you how. Now, for those that don't know me, I go by the name of Stackz for my rap mentor. I specialize in teaching rappers how to rap, build fans, and make money. Now, a lot of you think that you need to be on Drake, Post Malone, Lil Baby, DaBaby, or any famous rapper level to make any decent money, and I'm here to tell you that you're wrong. Now, all you really need is 1,000 hardcore fans to spend $10 on you a month. That's 120K a year. No label, no manager, no shows. Now, 120K a year don't make you the richest rapper by any means, but 120K a year is definitely enough for most people to quit their day jobs, take some of that money, invest it into your rap career, and boost yourself up. Now, I know a lot of you are asking, Stackz, how do I get 1,000 hardcore fans? Well, lucky for you, I'm coming out with a course that's called From Doubt to Clout. Now, in this course, it's going to be showing you free ways to build fans, how to get thousands of real streams every day, how to make money from your brand and music. Also, if you recommend this course, you will get 50% of the monthly pay plus more. So if you're interested in this and you're tired of being a brokey and tired of working a day job, click the link in the description box or click the link in the first comment if you're on YouTube. If you're on Instagram, click the link in the bio to subscribe. After you subscribe, go to your email, check your email to confirm it. I'll see you at the top. Peace.